1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shots, 4. Dory's passed out on the floor, waking up 'cause she wants more. Not a whore, never a bore. Love her so much I call her Dora. Dory, Doris, make a wish. Forgetful and goofy like the fish. Not a bitch, not a snitch. Always down to eat any dish. My very best friend, Crazy Asian till the end. She loves my raps and we rap to Eminem. What I do without you, girl, I'll never know, and I'll never ever have to. Life's the Em and Dory show. Nasa in the morn, Nasa all night. Chink so hard, but I think we chink right. I can only say that word 'cause I'm a rapper. Got a problem with it, I can also be a scrapper. So get at me, but I'm still rapping and I'm still cursing, spitting verses 'cause it sounds so fly. I'm rare like a good guy, Ben and Jake, the names they go by. I'm missing math to spit this rap, to spit these words and make them heard. I love to rhyme, but with so little time I gotta rap in class. Wish I could multitask, but I don't and I won't 'cause I can't. But I wear the pants in any relationship I've ever or never had. When it comes to Doris, well then the pants are shared 'cause we're both just too damn funny and we ain't going anywhere. When we're grounded on a train, psh, that bitch was just insane. Mandy was so mad, but we got glad, not sad. No clue why we didn't cry. Instead, we laughed until we peed, like when your grandma piddled herself. But I got your back whenever you need my main squeeze, not a sleaze, but she let Ben Peeve touch her knees. Just kidding, 'cause I'm always kidding, but I'm still spitting, and I chink it's time to stop. Oops, another Asian joke, 'cause Asians drop it like it's hot, and I would also try to drop if only I knew Tower had the time, but my math exam is Thursday, and I can't pass it with this rhyme. No, I'll always love you, though. Lil Neffy, outie now, yo.